And I thought, like, how good are these actually gonna be? I know it's a bit grim that I've mixed it together. It's as easy as that. Mix it, mix it. So I went to Home Bargains and did a haul like maybe a few weeks ago, and I saw these. They are Skinny Bakes chocolate brownies. It says guilt-free baking, yes please. Only 98 calories per portion. You just add egg, water and milk. And I thought, like, how good are these actually gonna be? It's a packet mix and it says that they are only 98 calories. So I thought, why not just try them? I do a lot of baking and I really like baking, and I want to like make maybe like one of my uploads per week on this channel, something to do with baking. I've got like another kit to use, which I'll probably film later this week or next week. I just really like doing stuff like this, so I'm going to review them. Right, let's get into it. Right, on the back of this it says you need 1 egg, 30 ml of water and 30 ml of milk, which I've actually both put in there, which I know it's a bit grim that I've mixed it together, but it's going to be together in the bowl anyway, so what's the difference? I need to preheat my oven to 160. So let's do exactly that. And now I need to just whack everything in the bowl. It's as easy as that. Right, where can I put you so that you can see what I'm doing? Alright, I'm gonna put you here, opening these up. Oh, what is that? Chocolate chips. We have chocolate chips and the brownie mix, which I'm gonna put in this bowl right now. Oh. Then I'm gonna put my milk and water in there, and my egg. I actually decided to whip it up a bit first. And I'll put my chocolate chips in as well. I can't open these. Mix it, mix it. It smells good already. Now that looks and smells delicious. I need to line a tin, obviously, to put these in. This is like my tin cupboard. What have we got? It's a bit of a mess. I'm gonna use one of these ones, I think. There we go, and I just cut some baking paper with like these tabs so I can pull the brownies out, you know? That is gooey. This bowl is heavy. That's now got to cook for 28 minutes, which is very specific, but let's set the timer. I guess I'll be back in 28 minutes.
A few moments later.
This kitchen smells so good right now. I'm very excited to try these. And we've only got, okay, longer than I thought, 17 minutes left on the clock. Right, so they've literally just finished in the oven and I've just took them out. I'm gonna start cutting them up so that they cool a little bit faster. They're not like gooey or anything. Yeah, like they're not like gooey brownies or anything. They're very cakey. So if you like gooey brownies, definitely cook them for less than the 28 minutes it says. Got a piece of brownie. I just let them cool for a few minutes, but they're still pretty warm because I like warm brownies. I'm gonna do a taste test. Oh, that's nice. So overall, they're a bit chewy, but I think that's probably because they were cooked a bit too long. If you got these, I wouldn't go by the 28 minutes. I'd probably do them for like 24, 25 and see how they are then. Maybe even a bit less, but like taste wise, they taste really good. It tastes really, really nice. It's just the chewiness of them that is like the downfall really. Overall, they were not the best brownies I've ever had. Because I cooked them too long, but it's not really my fault when it says 28 minutes on the packet. But just if you get these, don't follow that. I should have had more sense really and kind of cook them for like 25 and then check them then. And for 98 calories per brownie, I mean, it's worth it. But yeah, overall, I'd probably give them like a 7 out of 10. They tasted good. They tasted just like normal brownies. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave any video requests in the comments of what you'd like to see me do on this channel. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one.